Yo, we're back at the crib right now, you get me? And we just took our loss. Let me just show you real quick. As you can see, we took our loss. We're down 1%, 2%, you get me? It's 2%, yeah, we're down 2%. We took our loss for the day right here. Let me do this for the whole week here. So for this account, we only took 3 trades on Monday, Tuesday, and today, which is Wednesday, you get me? 1 break-even trade and 2 losses, you get me? 1%. I'm only risking 1%, and you get me? So yeah, that's what happened with that trade. Let me just break it down on what happened. Like, well, why did I enter the trade? You get me? I just wanna show you why did I enter the trade. As you can see here, firstly, what I did, I marked out the previous day high, which is PDH. You get me? PDH. You get me? Then I marked out where the market opened. You get me? Which is midnight open right here. And as you all know, gold has been buying. Your gold 15 minutes time frame, by the way. Gold has been buying, you get me? So my anticipation is always gonna be buy because it's been buying. As you can see, when it opened here, initially went up and below, taking out this low, this low, this low, this low, this low, and this low, you get me? So it took out liquidity on the sell side, and I knew that after it took liquidity on the sell side, it's gonna aim for the buy side, you get me? So what happened is traded above here, you get me? Traded above here. I could have taken my entry here once it did this, but because I was at the gym, I didn't see this. You get me? This trade when it played through. You get me? Let me just mark this out. It's a 15 minutes fair value gap right here. You get me? So rejected here, came back above the 1 hour fair value gap. This is a 1 hour fair value gap, by the way. You get me? Traded above the 1 hour fair value gap, started consolidating a bit, but rejected on the 1 hour fair value gap. Then I knew once he rejected this fair value gap here, as you can see, there's a 15 minutes fair value gap here. Let me mark it out for you all. You get me? I'm just gonna name it 15. You get me? He rejected on this 15 minutes fair value gap plus this 1 hour one. You get me? So that's when I place my entry right here. Once it closed with the bullish, I place my entry here. Stop loss below this low here. Target 1:3. So what happened was price came below, took me out. You get me? Because there was a fair value gap left here on the 15 minutes, but I thought he's gonna respect the higher one, which is the 1 hour one. So he decided to take out this low before it can go above. As you can see, he's going to target, as you can see. But right now it took us out, you get me? The direction is right, everything is right. It's just that price decided to take us out before it can move to a direction, you get me? Which is expected. So, and with that being said, this will be the end of the video. Not the video, but it will be the end of the trade today, you get me? You're not taking 2 trades. I only take 1 trade per day, you get me? Risking 1%, aiming 1:3, you get me? So we're taking losses right now, which is okay, you get me? The direction is right. That's the good part, you get me? Is that the problem is it takes that out first, you get me? If I can move to a direction, you get me? As you can see, previous direction as well took us out, then moved to the upper side, you get me? Same thing with the break-even one. Let me show you. With the break-even one, what happened is here it didn't take us out, but it came to take us out on break-even, you get me? The direction was right as well, you get me? So the direction is right, but the problem is the stop loss positioning, you get me? Even it's not the problem, but the market decided to take us out first before it can move to a direction, you get me? Which is okay though. Which is okay, you get me? So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna journal my trade. I'm gonna show you the process of me journaling my trade and whatnot. Then it'll be the end of the video, you get me? Yo, we're back at it again, you get me? I'm done with the journaling. Let me just show you the journal real quick. You get me? This is trade 3, you get me? As you can see, traded gold, model 1, fair value gap plus auto block, day trading. There was high impact news today, you get me? I'm just wanna be quick with this. I traded the 15 minutes time frame. Narrative was bullish, bias was bullish as well, because gold is being buying, so I can't sell what is buying again. Traded the London Open, and it closed by stop loss. I don't know if you can see it properly. So it's closed by stop loss. Risk was 1% with the pips of 7. Risk to reward was 1.3. Gave me net way. I lost $1. What you call 1%. $50 like that is 1%. You gave me. Psychology, I was neutral. I don't panic. Nowadays I don't panic. Back then I used to panic. I don't know if you remember the video I used to upload like last year, I believe. Last year around November, I used to panic that time, but right now I don't panic anymore. You get me? I just let the trade run. If it's a loss, it's a loss. Profit, whatever. You get me? I'm calm with it. And journaling helps with that, bruh. Ever since I started journaling, that's when it helped. You get me? So here's the entry trade. I took the screenshot link. You get me? As you can see, I placed my entry right here. Can I click here and can you see it properly? Let me see something. Can we see this thing properly or what's going on? No, it doesn't want to show. I don't know if it's the network or what. Yo, get me out of here. Now how do I exit this thing, bro? I can't do anything right now. I think it's the network or something. So okay, let's continue, no problem. As you can see, the entry was perfect. You get me? The entry was, there's no doubt in terms of the entry, get me? Because look at this, it broke the low liquidity, took out liquidity on the sell side. Now I know it's aiming for the buy side. It left this fair value gap after taking this liquidities. This was the only fair gap that was there. I should have used this, but I wasn't here. I wasn't aware of this position because I was at the gym. Again, I didn't check my phone. But it's okay though. It traded above the 1 hour fair value gap. Another confluence, you get me, above the fair value gap, and it closed on the 1 hour. You can see it as well, you get me. Then it retested here. I waited for it to close with a bullish candle, which was this one, you get me. Once it did that, place my entry right there, you get me. Stop loss, I knew price, at least I expected price not to go below this 1 hour fair value gap. So I placed the stop loss below the 15 minutes time frame, you get me. This, not the 15, I placed the stop loss below this low, and there's a fair value gap of the 15 here, as you can see, which price came to, you get me. It took me out there, then it took the direction, you get me. Let me show you this, what happened. Immediately after it took me out here, focus, immediately after it took me out here, look at this, bruh. Could have hit my take profits and even more past the funded account with one trade, you get me. Similar thing that happened on Monday. It was it took me out, bruh, with the break, break even. Then it went to my direction, bruh. See, but I'm not panicking as long as I know the strategy, I know the rules and whatnot. I'm not panicking, you get me. I'm gonna catch another trade that will pull me back to profit again. Right now I'm in a 1% drawdown, which is okay though. Why is like my voice is starting to run out now? Am I sad or something? What's up? let me chill out, you get me. But it's okay though, you get me. Took an L today, lesson learned, okay, no problem. But this is a perfect trade. This is a perfect way. This is how I trade, you get me. This is perfectly how I trade, bro, you get me. So it's cool though. Took our loss yesterday, even today as well. Tomorrow is Friday, we might not trade. It depends on how the market behaves or whatnot, you get me. But the way it's been buying, I think it's gonna be tricky to trade, but we're gonna see. Remember, we're not rushing anything. We're not, you get me. We calm, bro, we calm. With that being said, I think this will be the end of the video right here, you get me. There's nothing much to do. There's nothing much else to do, you get me. With that being said, I appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in and supporting your boy, you get me. Those 5 views, 3 views, I appreciate those views, you get me. So yeah, man, make sure you subscribe also. And thank you for your time. See you on the next video.